Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited. I'm going to be showing some new items that I'm adding to my Etsy shop. So the first couple items are some Easter and spring junk journal kits. These kits are just chock full of awesome stuff. So let's dig in here. So each kit will be a little bit different. They'll be basically all the same stuff I'm showing you, plus some extra stuff. But they might have like different papers, or some of the textiles might be just a different variety of what I'm showing you here. But I'll try to have pictures on the Etsy listing of the differences between the different kits. So first off, you have a collection of these napkins. I mean, look at that. So cute. And then this beautiful, and the really cool thing is these open up and there's 4 images on each napkin, which I think is awesome. You have this beautiful butterfly, again, 4 images, another butterfly, and then this bunny, so cute, and then a couple Easter egg napkins, really cute, and these, the whole napkin. And then look at this one here. Now run along and don't get into mischief. And then this one is just on 2 spots, and then the side says hop little rabbit, hop hop hop. Isn't that precious? But I love the stripes too. And then this one says hop little rabbit, hop hop hop, so it's a little bit bigger. And then this side, it's the same. So on this one, these 2 images are the same, but on this one they're different. And then you'll have a little glassine envelope of a bunch of goodies that I'll show in a minute. We have a collection of pastel index cards, a time card, a craft bag, a extra large index card. You'll have 6 little tickets, fun little tickets in pastel colors. You'll have this playing card, Peter Rabbit playing card, and each one will be a little bit different, so it'll be a different number. And you'll have this little game card. This one will be a little bit different as well. It's so cute. And then a seed packet, a vintage Easter postcard from 1912. You'll have a little milk cap, a library card and pocket, a little Kodachrome car picture, a vintage Rolodex card. You'll have these really pretty pastel little doilies. There'll also be some bigger white doilies as well. You have a vintage bingo sheet. These are just some fun little collage-y sheets that are all spring, kind of spring related. Some guest checks, pink, blue, and green guest check. All these pastel envelopes. You have a pink, a blue, a yellow, and this is kind of like a watercolor maybe kind of envelope. So pretty. And then the fabric. Oh, such a cute. So this is, let me measure it. It is about 13 inches tall, and I'm pretty sure it's 22 wide. Yeah, 22 inches wide. So this, would be the cover, if you want to use that for the cover. But I love these bunnies, and they're like blue and pink, and then this is kind of like a gray blue, and then you have a green and kind of like a taupey color. So really, I think it goes with a lot of different things, but that fabric is so cute. And then here is I guess you'd call it a tea towel or a dish towel, but look at this beautiful image on here. And then this is a fun, another napkin, I think is what you would consider this to be. But look how pretty, and it goes so good with this fabric. Love that. So you could actually use these for your covers if you want to. And then you have a whole plethora of book pages And I pulled a lot of like children's book pages, just with cute little images. Like, look how sweet that is. These you could turn into tags, use them as pockets. We have some kind of spring, duck, and bunny related pages. So the pages in each kit will be very similar to this, but obviously they'll be different. Some music pages, some more. This is antique pages. And then here's some fun. I mean, these would make great pockets, envelopes, and you could cut these images out. So many pages. I mean, there's enough pages to do probably 16. I mean, like if you wanted to do 3 or 4 signatures, you could, I mean, it's probably like 20 plus pages that I have in here. I haven't counted it all up yet. Here's some Peter Rabbit book pages. I mean, these would just be darling. You could actually fold them this way. Like you could cut it here. This could be your book page, and then these you could turn into pockets or tags. Lots of different options. And like I said, each one will be a little bit different, but look how pretty that is. That would be a beautiful page like that. We have this big bunny page. So cute. And then I have some more pastels. Here's some pastel, just some copy paper. These make great pages to add. So you have the purple, yellow, green, blue, and pink. And then this, I thought this was just a fun page. You could put some fun decorations in the middle of that if you wanted to. Another darling little book page. And then you'll get a manila folder. So if you wanted to cut this up and use this as your cover, cut it down, and then you have a ready-made cover. And if you wanted to have a spine, you know, you have these score marks in here. So if you wanted to add a spine in there, or you could do, you know, a regular journal with chipboard and stuff like that. A really pretty flower page. A couple just springy magazine pages. Here's like a typing paper, and then here is a piece of vintage wallpaper. So pretty. And then you'll get a piece of either this fabric or you'll get a piece of this fabric. So one will be in one of the Easter kits and one will be in the other Easter kit. And these are from Japan. So I'm super excited to share a section of these with you guys. It'll probably be like maybe like an 8x10 little piece. So you could do like a small mini journal with it, or you can turn them into pockets or tags. So one kit will have this and one kit will have this. But look at the sweet little bunnies in there. But these are so cute, and I love all the different expressions on the bunny's face. So cute. So cute. Those are from Japan. You'll also get, and again, there'll be more added. You'll see all the details on the listing, but you'll get a bunch of these fun spring color ribbons. You can use these on your spine dangle. You got yellow, green, a peach, a blue, a purple, and then a little bit wider pieces. You have a green, a pink, and a blue, and a yellow, and a purple. And then you have this fun trim here. It's kind of multicolored. You have this ribbon with the bunnies hopping. Also have this ribbon of the bunny ears. So cute. And then here is a ribbon of pink flowers and a ribbon of yellow flowers. And then in this little pack, you'll get one of these if you like to put these on your spine to hold your spine dangle. I'll also have some like rickrack and trims and lace in the kit, but each one will be a little bit different. And then you'll have a cross paper clip in the Easter kit, and then a regular paper clip. The spring kit won't have the cross paper clip. And then in this glassine bag is just a bunch of fun little bits and pieces. So we have this bunny button that you could use on your spine dangle. You have a jump ring that you can use for your spine dangle. You have your book corners, page protectors. You have a bunch of little beads that are all spring colored. You have an egg button. You have a butterfly charm. You have another little bunny charm. Cute little bunny. A bunny wax seal. You have this fun little leaf, just a leaf charm. You got a bulb pin. You also have a heart-shaped jump ring. And again, the colors might differ. You got a pink bulb pin. You also have this gold button. And you have, this is a vintage pink button. And then these are some, I forget what they're called, but they're vintage. I don't know if they're pearl buttons, vintage pearl buttons. You'll get some eyelets. You'll get 4 eyelets of different colors. Here we have like an orange, white, gold, and blue eyelets. You have this other pretty little charm. And then we have some brads. We have a pink brad, kind of a yellow, greenish brad, and a yellow brad. And then you have these really pretty glass beads here in spring colors and a blue button. So all of this is included. Plus I'll probably add like some bling. And so more things to be added. I also have some other scrapbook paper. Each kit will also get a piece of avocado dyed cardstock that I made. One kit will receive these 3 pages. So these could be, if you wanted to do 3 signatures, these could be the covers of your signatures. And they go so nicely together. I love the carrots. So that'll be one kit, one Easter kit. And then the other Easter kit will get the avocado dyed paper, and they'll get this beautiful, love this paper, so cute. And then this beautiful plaid, love the green on the back, and then this one here in the blue. So one kit will be this one, and one kit will be these 3. And then the spring kit that will be for sale, you will receive a piece of this. This will be a 12 by 22 piece of this beautiful quilt fabric. So that will be the, if you want to use that for the cover of the spring journal. And then I'll have some other just fun spring little fabrics to complement this. And then the main kind of scrapbook papers that you could use for the signatures will be these pages here. They are just darling. So cute. Happy spring. I mean, it just goes so well with this paper, or with this fabric. And then I love the rain boots. And then there's the back. And look, it's, I mean, this is just so cute. And then this paper here. So these will be the spring, and then all the other items that I showed you, they'll be very similar in this kit as well. Any of the differences I'll try to highlight in the pictures and show you that as well. But there's, I mean, this kit has so many things in it. It's, you know, you saw how many pieces are in there. The spring will get some spring ribbons instead of the Easter ribbons. So they'll get these, but the spring ribbon will also get the jumping bunny ribbon. And then from a napkin perspective, you'll get the butterflies and a bunny, but you'll also get strawberry and some other flower envelopes or napkins. But all the other things are pretty similar that you saw in that kit that I showed you already. Each kit will get a piece of this beautiful tablecloth. You have this lovely flower lace trim. And then you have these lace panels and some other fabric panels. But you could also do this, make some sort of overlay on the cover of a journal, or you could just cut these down and turn them into pockets and use them on tags and things like that. So lots of different options. And for the spring kit, you'll get this beautiful embroidered hand towel. There is a little bit of staining on it, but it's not bad at all. So you will get 12-inch pieces of these beautiful antique laces. They're definitely already grunged up, so, but I think they're gorgeous. And look at the tatting on that, and then this pattern on this one. They're just really pretty. And you'll get some pieces of yellow, blue, and pink lace as well. You'll get a piece of this lace here that has pinks and greens and blue in it. You'll get these fun curly ribbon pieces. You'll get either a pink or a hot pink piece. And then you'll get some polka dotted pink ribbon pieces. You'll get one of those. You'll also receive some pieces of this pastel twine, some more pink ribbon, a couple of these fun rosettes, some of this pretty kind of peachy ribbon lace, some rickrack. Each kit will also have these paper doilies and school paper sheet and a ledger sheet from 1893. Each one will be different. They'll also have a sheet of this beautiful stationery paper, the lace and the flowers on it. All right, so that wraps up what is in these kits. I also will have a little bag of extra freebies that I will also include if you buy one of these kits. So there will be 2 Easter kits and 1 spring kit. So you'll just drop down and select which one you want, A, B, or C, and I'll have that in the photos so you all will know which one you're picking. And then that's all you'll have to do is pick the one that you're interested in. Like I said, they are all very, very similar, especially the 2 Easter kits are very, very, very similar. And then the spring kit is, more spring related, but also the contents, while they may look a little different, they'll be the same types of items. So if you have any questions, please, shoot me an email. My email's down below, or just leave a comment down below. I'm happy to ask any questions. This kit is just so massive. So it's, wanted to make sure you got to see, 98% of what's in the kit, and then there'll be some extras in there for you as well. So thank you all very much, and I will see you all in the next video. Okay, bye.